Hello beauties and welcome to my beauty room. So today I'll be continuing series of vlogs in my beauty room. As you can see over here, I have my Colic shelf unit. So most of the shelves I use to display my skincare or makeup products. So on top, on both sides over here, I have insert with doors, and over here at the bottom I have two inserts with two drawers. So I decided that I want actually to add more inserts with two drawers to those two empty shelves over here, because first of all, there is not very handy to display anything over here at the bottom. It also gets very dusty and it's not that easy like to take the products out there. So mostly I was using it to keep any new packages that was arrived. So today we'll be inserting two more insert with two drawers over here. And I also have smaller Colic shelf unit over here. So the same situation here. I usually just store some boxes over there at the bottom. So we'll be adding two inserts with two drawers over here at the bottom as well. So let me just show you up close. So this is what I currently keep over here. Just some boxes from Stila, Glam Glow, and also Brow Stars from Benefit. And on another one, I have a box from Stila and also this Gucci Guilty box. And inside, I just keep different perfume samples. So we purchased 4 inserts for Colic shelf unit. You can see that these are inserts with 2 drawers. And we got them in IKEA in Canada. And each insert was $20. So now let's unbox them all and insert them in their new places. So this is the finished result. This is how insert with 2 drawers look on my Colic shelf unit. I really like how it now looks. I can store so much more makeup over there at the bottom, and also over here I can display some makeup. I think this way it looks so much more pleasing and beautiful. And on this side I have my smaller Colic shelf unit. So this is how the finished results looks like. Again, I feel like it looks so beautiful, and I just love how I will be way more organized and can store way more makeup. So in my biggest Colic shelf unit, I decided to keep all of my new makeup products, everything that I will be purchasing or everything that I will get in my PR packages. So let me just show what I put inside so far. So in first drawer, I put Kylie Cosmetics, the new collection, and also Too Faced Enchanted Beauty holiday collections. I have Foxy Neutrals and also Unbearably Glam. In another drawer, I put tons of skincare and also hair care products. Over here I have Sigma Beauty holiday collection sets. Next I have some products from Morphe, eyeshadow palettes, brushes, and also eyeliners. In this drawer I put OPV Beauty blenders. I also have this acrylic organizer that I'm not sure if I want to display it somewhere over here in one of the shelves, or I want to organize it kind of like this inside. So I'm still deciding if I want to move it to my Alex drawers, or I want to keep it here, or maybe just to display it in one of the shelves. I also have brush set from Eloise. Next one, I have Advent Calendar from Sigma, 12 Days of Sigma, and also some pigments from OPV Beauty. In last two drawers, nothing changed. This is what I originally had in them. So this is my Sigma Beauty cleaning tools and products. And in the last drawer, I keep my second camera lens and also different chargers. I also will show you what I put over here. So in first drawer, I put my packaging from Foreo Luna 3. I have already unboxing on my channel and also the new holiday collection from Morphe. And over here at the bottom, I keep my packages from last year holiday collection from Stila and also my Glam Glow masks. These two drawers are empty because I'm thinking to actually move my Sigma cleaning tools and products in this drawer, and in this drawer to move over my camera equipment, so to put my second lens and also all of those chargers. So of course I will be still more organized in these drawers, just figuring out what I want to keep over here. And in drawers, in my bigger color shelf unit, I want to keep all of the new makeups that I want to use in upcoming videos and also for creating content for my TikTok and my Instagram page. I really like to use color shelf units to store and display my makeup and also my skincare products, but you can actually use it to store and display different things like kids' toys. You can use it in your kid room. You can also use it in your living room, like a bookshelf. You can also decorate it with different pieces, with your photos. There are so many ways that you can use different inserts and just make it the way you want to look. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also watch other videos in my playlist from my beauty room series. And I will see you in my next video. Bye bye!